Hiring a product manager can be difficult for non-product people. The hiring team, on the other hand, can ensure that they find a great PM who will help the team succeed by following a specific process and asking the right questions. Hiring a project manager begins with internal preparation, which includes identifying the specific skills and qualifications that the PM candidate should have. Giving PM candidates a take-home assignment that addresses a specific product problem that the team has encountered is one way to assess these skills. This will allow them to demonstrate their product knowledge and ask pertinent questions, while also allowing the hiring team to evaluate their responses and see how they think. When assessing PM candidates, it is critical to be consistent and to ask the same questions at the same points in the process for all candidates. Furthermore, always inquire about execution and impact, and keep in mind that the worst PM hires are those who talk a lot but don't deliver. A phone screen, in-person meeting, and take-home assignment are all recommended steps in the hiring process for a project manager. The hiring team should assess basic skills, fit, and temperament during the phone screen and look for any red flags. The in-person meeting should be used to learn more about the candidate, and the take-home assignment should show the team how the candidate approaches problem solving. Use calibrated, non-leading questions when asking questions, and let the candidate lead the conversation. If you hear something concerning, request more information. Allow candidates to ask you questions and solicit feedback on the process. A process that is respectful and well-structured can bring in good candidates and help you find the best PM for your team. Several studies and papers emphasize the need of a structured process for hiring product managers. Lewis C. Lynn's The Product Manager Interview, 164 Actual Questions and Answers provides a comprehensive guide to conducting effective product manager interviews, including tips on how to assess candidate skills and qualifications, as well as what questions to ask to determine their fit and suitability for the role. The author of Hiring the Right Product Manager, a guide for non-product managers, Neeraj Sharma, emphasizes the need of having clear objectives, employing a calibrated interview process, and offering candidates a take-home project to measure their problem-solving skills. The article also underlines the significance of evaluating applicants' execution and impact skills. The author of 5 Tips for Hiring the Right Product Manager, Ken Norton, says that it is critical for non-product managers to understand the job of a product manager and the skills required for the role. He also emphasizes the significance of asking the correct questions, creating clear expectations, and employing a systematic interview process to evaluate prospects. To summarize, having a systematic approach and asking the correct questions are critical to successfully recruiting a product manager. This can be especially difficult for non-product managers, but by following the tips and best practices indicated in these studies and articles, you can improve your chances of finding the ideal PM for your team.